say I am about to show you what will actually blow your mind. Anyway, this home that I want to show you is 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex with BQ. But one thing about this is that though you are seeing it like this is our showroom, so we are selling off plan, and I just want to show you how everything will be delivered. So this is our 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex in Adesanya on Ogombo Road. So I will take you in now so that you can see what it looks like to stay in a home that is well befitting, a luxury, and something that can give you good value. Okay, so I'll take you in. Like I told you, it's 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex, and as you can see, it's a contemporary building and a modern one, very beautiful one. So I'm going to show you now so that you can see. So this is the entrance to it. So this, you can see, this door is not an ordinary door, it's a security door, and if you want to enter, you just need to slot your card in. You can see the place of the card so that you can slot it in and press your code for it. So this is one of the security that we put in place. So when you're looking at a place that is very secure, this place is actually a very secure estate. At the gates there, we still have our security, 24-hour security already. So, and you know, we will not give you anything that it will not frighten. So this place is our visitors room. It's downstairs there. So one thing you should notice about this is you can see how spacious it is, and you can see there are a lot of ventilation here. So if you're looking for if the room is ventilated enough, so there is. And also here we, like I told you, I was just showing this to actually show you that this is the showroom, so that you can see what we are going to deliver at the end of the day. So our 4-bedroom semi-detached is going for 87 million naira, and with the minimum of 10 million naira, you can actually secure yourself one or two, because we have a limited unit available. So this is a visitors room. Everything you're seeing here is not going to be furnished like this. The home is coming fully finished but not furnished. Everything you're seeing here, you know that there are furniture, but you want us to furnish it for you right now, you can actually do that. But it's coming fully finished, not furnished. So you can see this is the living room, and you can see how spacious the living room is, how you can actually arrange your furniture in the living room, how you can, everywhere is well ventilated, there are windows, all the things. It's a very beautiful, and this is dining, how you can set up the dining. You can see it's a very beautiful one, and this space is, because I know you like space, and here too, this is our storage. Under the staircase, you can see you can store things there, you can store your food, you can store your wine, and the rest. So it's very beautiful. When we're talking about space is part of luxury, and we are here to give you that. And you know, this place, this is our kitchen. Oh, this is very beautiful. It's very, very beautiful. And how spacious our kitchen is. And this is coming with the washing machine. See the washing machine here. It's coming with the washing machine. This is coming with oven, and it's coming with microwave, and as well as gas cooker. So it's coming like this. All what you're seeing here, except the refrigerator, everything you're seeing here, this house is coming with it. And come and see our pantry, where you can store things. So this is our pantry. You can see how big our pantry is. So this is how we're going to deliver this kitchen to you. And like I told you, it's going for 87 million naira, and you can start this journey with me with only 10 million naira, so you can spread the payment. So with 10 million naira, you can key into this place. So let me take you upstairs. I've shown you a room here now, and the other 3 rooms are upstairs. So I will show you all our room and in suites, and I believe you will like it. So let's go upstairs and let me show you our primary room and other room, and I believe you will like the luxury home I'm showing you. The upstairs now, and I'm just going to show you every other thing we have in this place. 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex with BQ inside Urban Prime 1. This is the showroom in Urban Prime 1, but where we actually have this is Urban Prime 3 phase 2. So you can look at it here. We have our lounge, our mini lounge. That is the sitting room upstairs. This is exactly how you can just arrange it. You can see I like the lights, POP, and the way everything is arranged here. I like it. So you can arrange yours like this. You can see it's very spacious. Yes, when we're talking about space, space is part of luxury too. So this is very spacious, and you can see it's well ventilated. This is one balcony. Let me open it so that you can see. So there is no hide and seek in this thing. You can see what you're about to acquire. This is the Ogombo Road in Adesanya. So this is a balcony too. So then I'm taking you to the primary room. So I know you will like this one. So and don't forget, all our room are on suite so that you can see. This is a primary room, and this is how you can actually arrange this too. Because it is spacious. I told you space is part of luxury. See? It's very spacious, and see this place too. It's well ventilated. You can see this is another balcony too. It's well ventilated. So I mean that, and look at the other windows too. So if you don't want to on your AC throughout the day, you can actually open your window and you get a fresh air. And this is the wardrobe. Look at it. Look, you can see the wardrobe. You can see this is the whole lot here. And we have our toilet and the bathroom. We have our bathtub. We have our shower vehicle, water heater. We have our sink, and we have a toilet seat. So you can see. And this is exactly how we're going to deliver the house to you. Because don't forget, all that I'm showing you is off-plan projects. So let me show you the next room. But before we go to the next room, I'm going to show you this place. This is a study room. Or if you want to work from home, this is actually where you can get have your office in the house. Everybody is working from home now. Yes. So you can actually do your work in this area. And to this place is a box room for all my clients that travels a lot. This is where you can keep all your boxes, so you don't need to put it in the BQ. So this is exactly where you can put it. And to this room, so this is the second room upstairs. You can see how spacious it is. I'm still talking about space. Space is part of the luxury. So this is the room, the second room. We have the wardrobe here, and we have the windows too here, and also we have our toilet and the bathroom. So everything is on straight, so that you can see that we know what we are doing. So you can see how you can actually arrange everything here, just to give you the tips that you can still maximize space. So I'll take you to the next room now, so that you can see that one too. So this is the next room. So this is the next room. 3 windows, all ventilated. We have our wardrobe, the space, the beddings, and the toilet and the bathroom. See, this is what we call luxury. Come and see the toilet and the bathroom too. This is our shower cubicle, our sink, our toilet safe and the rest, and we have our water heater. So this is exactly what we are going to deliver to you. So I want you to pick the contact you are seeing on your phone now, without the number, and let me take you on it also, that you can see this luxury and contemporary house. So 4-bedroom semi-detached. This estate is called Urban Prime 3 Phase 2. Though I'm in Urban Prime 1, which we have our showroom, but this showroom we are going to build the same in Urban Prime 3 Phase 2, so that you can enjoy all this, and is with the same facility, 24/7 power supply, 24/7 security. You can see that the roads are well tarred, swimming pool, CCTV camera, potable water supply. Everything that is here is going to be in Urban Prime 3 Phase 2. So I want you to call the number showing on your screen. This is going for 87 million naira, 4-bedroom semi-detached plus BQ, and with the minimum of 10 million naira, you can actually key into this. And I know that money is not a problem, so call me right away. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification, and follow us on all our social media handles. That will be my number now. I'm expecting